In sports, celebrations are continuing following Spain copying the FIFA World Cup 2026 Championship on Sunday. Spain defeated Argentina 1-0 in extra time at the New Jersey Stadium in the United States. Ferran Torres scored the decisive goal to secure Spain's first World Cup title since 2010, ending Argentina's hopes of back-to-back championships. The match also marked another memorable chapter in the Lionel Messi legendary career, while Spain's young star, Lamine Yamal, further cemented his place among football's brightest talents. Spanish fans celebrate a historic triumph, and Argentine supporters reflect on a heartbreaking defeat. Al Jazeera's Paul Rees reports from New Jersey.
Well, Spain dominated this World Cup final, but it looked like they might never score until the very start of the second period of extra time when Ferran Torres put them 1-0 up. That disappointed the vast majority of fans inside the stadium, most of whom were going for Argentina, but it's made these fans very happy. They're world champions for a second time.
One of the best days of my life, like one in a lifetime opportunity to come here to this stadium. I live in New Jersey, my mother's from Spain, couldn't be happier right now.
We played as a team, we played great, we played beautiful. It wasn't a dirty game, it was good football. We attacked all the time, had several occasions and scored a goal.
I think we had 12 chances on goal, they had none. So I think that sums it up.
Well, from his opening game hat-trick against Algeria to the comeback wins he inspired in the knockouts against Egypt and then England in the semi-finals, in many ways this has been Lionel Messi's World Cup. He couldn't get Argentina over the line this time. He doesn't go home as a two-time world champion, but his legacy as one of the all-time greats of the game is still intact. About Messi, do you think that's his last World Cup game for Argentina?
Messi is Messi. Look, yeah, Messi is Messi forever. I don't care. He don't know to win nothing. He says the Argentina, so I don't care. But I'm so sad because he said the last step.
Perhaps ready to step into Lionel Messi's shoes, though, as a global superstar, is Spain's Lamine Yamal, just 19 years old, now a European and world champion. He shone in flashes in this game, but it wasn't one for individuals. It wasn't a classic either, but Spain take the trophy home as the undisputed best team in the world. The one team at this tournament that even the great Lionel Messi couldn't beat. Paul Rees, Al Jazeera at the New York, New Jersey Stadium.